After you install the Coffee mod, you can go ahead and join Skyblock on Hypixel. The mod will detect that you joined Skyblock and ask you to log in with your Google account. You basically just click this link. It previews what link it will open. Then on the website, you can go ahead and log in with your Google account. You don't have to provide any passwords or any other of the sort. Just select the Google account you want to log in with. It also doesn't require any permissions. Once you're logged in, the mod will show an anonymized version of your email, what version you are using. In this case, you probably are using the free version. And then it will ask you to verify that the account you're connected from is actually your account by bidding a 3-digit number on a random auction. You don't necessarily have to bid this amount. You can also create an auction for that. This is needed in order to verify that you have indeed ownership of the account you're connected from, because you could connect from a correct Minecraft account, and that would allow you to impersonate someone else. Now let's go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna create a new auction ending in 791. 791. You can see here, you don't necessarily have to create an auction with exactly 791. It's enough to just use the last 3 digits. I don't actually care how long that runs for. I'm just creating the auction. The backend will now go ahead and check the newly created auction for the 3-digit code, authorize the new account. This may take a minute or two until the Auction House API refreshes. If you verify with a Minecraft account that has never been verified before, you get a day of free premium for testing. Now that my account is validated, and when I join Skyblock, it will greet me with a different welcome message. It will still have the Minecraft name and my anonymized email, but it will now ask me what I want to do. In my case, I would like to AH flip. Also, the features are each prompting you with a introduction text. In this case, it recognizes that I'm using the mod for the first time, and it notifies me about that there is more help text in the hover effect of such help messages. I already know the information, so I'm gonna click it away with got it. I also toggle on the flip. This is a primer on how the flip algorithm works. We have a more detailed video about that. It should be linked up here. The message further explains the flip menu, which can be accessed by this symbol. We also have a video about that. Just take a look into the playlist. And then it already starts sending me flips, in this case Dwarf Turtle Shelmets, for a total of about 300k profit. That's not enough for me. I would actually like to change the settings for that. I can either do that on the website, or I can go ahead and use /coffeeset to display a chat version of my settings. Actually go ahead and increase my min profit to 200k or above 300k to 400k. And now I will no longer see those flips. There's also a separate video for these settings. The last two noteworthy things are, if you either don't get flips at all, then you want to click on this blocked flip message to figure out what the cause were for not receiving flips. We list here the most common causes for you not receiving any flips. The second noteworthy command would be /coffee help. It gives you a basic overview of all the available stable commands with full information about them. Besides flipping, the mod also puts pricing data into item descriptions. This enchanting book with Scavenger 4, as you can see in the lower right, this price is currently on the bazaar for 86,000 and apparently has basically no buy orders, thereby the sell price is only half a coin. All of the features shown are available completely for free. If you would like to support us, get flips slightly faster, you have the option to purchase our premium plan, which speeds up flips by multiple seconds. You can see the available premium options by executing Coffee Buy. So, to reiterate, if you get confused about something, try to hover or click it. If you don't get any flips, execute /coffee blocked. No matter if you support us financially or not, thanks for using our mod. To find out more, just continue watching the playlist.